Yeah, we are live. I can't believe it. Yeah. Box Polycon live. New photo every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses, no matter where we are. And today, we do another combination. Cross 7 and top 2. Are you ready? First, you see that we do it together. Let's go. Yes, let's do it together. No excuses. Let's go. Take your phone and do it with me. Let's go. Yeah. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. Let's go. We cross. We step to the side. We cross. Now, step, tap, step, tap. Looking good. Now, with the right. Cross. Open, cross, step, tap, looking good. Once again with the left. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it with me. Let's go with the right. Cross, step, tap. Once again with the left. Some people would call that Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Suzy Q with the right. Or cross 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Yeah. This is the move. This is the groove. But you know what? You're still here. Amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in a mirror. You ready? Let's do it together, starting with the left. Let's go. We cross. We step. We cross. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Yeah. With the right. Cross. Step. Cross. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know what? Let's give you a tip. Are you ready? Let's give you a tip. To make it a little bit more sharp, we will tap to the floor like kicking the floor. Careful on your toes, but let's try to do that a little bit more sharp. Let's go. With the cross, step, cross, step, tap. Yeah, step, tap. Take it up and tap. Good. With the right, cross, step, bam, step, bam. Like I'm doing that to the floor. Bam, bam. Yeah. Try it with me. Cross, step, bam, cross, step, bam. With a count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the move. That's the move. That was cross 7 and tap 2 combination. Yeah. And if you're the serious student and if you want to get really better, join me in the studio. Yes, join me in the studio. How can you do that? You can check the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio. Yes, to the YouTube channel and search for these two moves. What are the moves? Cross 7 and tap 2. Today, with the combination of the two. You can practice these with me in the studio for free anytime you want. Yes, I'm serious. But you know what? What do you care? You have this video, right? So you can use it again and again and again and again. Why? Because practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. Yes, the more you practice, the better you get. So join me in the studio or use this video while practicing this universal move. Marcus, what do you mean when you say universal move? What do I mean? I mean that you can use these moves in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba, Samba. Yes, Samba and Samba are not the same. Trust me. And whatever you do, yes, I'm serious, do it today. Practice this move today. Why? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus bodybuilding live. Yeah, so I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a new footwork.